Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. And if I'm not wrong, these were the normal cars which were modified for the Daytona race. That's why named after that. And they had this big wing in the back and beak in the front, which I think made them more stable and faster. This one is a diecast, so it doesn't really matter how fast it goes. But it has got some good details, so let's open it up and see how does it look. Now this is not a new casting but a recolor relaunch kind of thing, so it won't have few things which you see on Hotwheels and Matchbox these days, like mirrors, but I'm still okay with that. It's a classic car. I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front you have that typical beak with flip headlamps, finished in this golden paint, and you've also got this 426 CI on the hood with black strips going on. Looks really good. It does have windshield wipers, no mirrors though, and the classic vent design unlike the older cars. Looks good. On the roof again the stripes are continuing and you get the number 56 there. Now on the driver's side you can see it's a race car because there are so many sponsors here. Number 56, Hotwheels, Stanley, Dodge, also it's a Dodge, MWG, Daytona. I like the paint scheme red and this red white checkered flag. Looks good. I think that's the space for the turn indicators. I don't know why. Side mounted exhaust, good. Wheels actually looks nice. I'm glad they didn't do like those multi-spoke ones or the 5-spoke ones. If you can see at the interior, it's finished in black. I don't know how visible it is. Moving to the back, again, no painted details, but you can see the outline for the tail lamp. You can see the chrome bumper. Passenger side or co-driver side looks almost identical. I forgot to show you these. I don't know if these are vents or the flaps for air brake. I'm not sure, but they look nice. There are a lot of design elements which I don't know about. This is how it looks from the bottom, and it's an older car, a 2012 one, but released in 2025. How does it look? I think it looks nice. It's very different. You definitely won't see something like this today, or even like it was for a very short period and then rules changed, so the cars also changed. I think it looks really nice. Well, let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.